How to disable Prettier in VS Code. Hello and welcome back to our channel, beautiful people. Today we're going to learn how to disable the Prettier extension on Visual Studio Code. So in order to use Prettier, all you have to do is select the whole thing code and then format document with. And here, as you can see, the Prettier option. And if I click on it, then it will be automatically formatted in a very beautiful way. But if you want some other extension to use, instead of Prettier, then you have to first disable this. So in order to disable, just go to View option here and run the extensions thing. You can also tap Ctrl Shift and X on your keyboard. And here you can search for the Prettier extension. I have it right here. And by clicking on it, you can see the disable option. So once you've disabled it, you'll no longer be able to use Prettier anymore. So in order to use it again, just enable and restart the extension. So I hope you guys learned how to disable the Prettier code formatter. If you learned it, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, stay tuned for more. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.